This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
What are the functions of this gastric juice? Water is there in the gastric juice, so this water further liquefy the food which has been swallowed. There is hydrochloric acid which acidify the food and stops the action of salivary amylase, kills the ingested microbes and provide acidic environment needed for the effective digestion by pepsin. Pepsinogen are activated. What is pepsinogen? It is an enzyme precursor of pepsin. This is in inactivated form when it is secreted, but it is activated by hydrochloric acid present in the stomach. These enzymes begin the digestion of proteins, breaking them into smaller molecules. Then there is intrinsic factor, a protein which is necessary for absorption of vitamin B12 from the ileum. Mucus prevents mechanical injury to the stomach wall, acting as a barrier between stomach wall and the corrosive gastric juice. Hydrochloric acid is present in potentially damaging concentration, means it can damage the stomach wall if there is no mucus on the layer, or even pepsin can also digest. Sometime in examination you may find this question that there is pepsin which digests the protein, then why does it not digest the wall of stomach which is made up of protein? So the answer is because of the thick layer of mucus uh, which lines the stomach. Now, physiology of gastric juice secretion. How this gastric juice is secreted in our body. Must have heard that there is a fire, or we can say that ragni in our stomach. So how this is produced, how the gastric juices are produced, it's very interesting. You will find it very interesting and easy to understand. There is always a small quantity of gastric juice present in the stomach, even when it contains no food. This is known as fasting juice. Secretion reaches to its maximum level after 1 hour of meal and then declines to fasting level after 4 hours. There are three phases of secretion of gastric juice: cephalic phase, gastric phase, and intestinal phase. First is cephalic phase. Cephalic means it is related to the brain. The sight, taste, and smell of the food stimulates the secretion of gastric juice initially. Then gastric phase starts when food enters in the stomach. The hormone gastrin is secreted into the bloodstream, and this stimulates secretion of gastric juices. The secretion of hydrochloric acid reduces the pH of the stomach content, and when pH falls below 2, then the secretion of gastrin is inhibited. Now, intestinal phase. As the acidic contents of stomach enter into the duodenum, the small intestine secretes hormone secretin and cholecystokinin. These hormones act to reduce the secretion of gastric juice and gastric motility. The rate of gastric emptying depends on the size and content of the meal. A large meal takes longer than small meal. Liquids quickly pass through the stomach. Normally, after each meal, it takes 4 hours to empty the stomach.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.